is a little video for Roger that you can fly the Spark without the phone. The phone I got actually in my hand, but what you have to do is you have to turn off the Wi-Fi on the phone. Okay, because if you have the Wi-Fi turned on, it's going to want to grab the Wi-Fi, okay? And then it won't let you do it unless you go in through the app. So you got to go in there and turn off the Wi-Fi. So then you just, you turn on the quadcopter, turn on this transmitter, you wait till all the binding happens and the light on the transmitter is green. And then you just arm the motors manually by down and out, and then just take off. Now there's a geofence on the Spark if you're flying without the Wi-Fi and the app going. So it's not going to let you go far, but at least you can fly it around if you forgot your phone, or the battery's going dead and you still got battery left in the quadcopter. You could just turn off the Wi-Fi and just fly it without it. So, all right. I don't want to piss off the obstacle avoidance, so I'm not going to get too close. I can see the red lights going in there. But this is flying it with the without using the app. You see how high I got it up there without the app on. So it's going. It's getting there. It'll let you go like 90 feet up, I think. 90 feet up, and I think 180 feet out before the geofence kicks in.